Video will show you how to do a basic search using the Proquest Central database. This is a collection of the Proquest providers' best used sort of top 30 or so databases. It's a very, very strong research collection, and it includes scientific databases such as biology database, science database, health and medical collection, and many others that are useful for biosciences, sports sciences, etc. So the topic we're going to search on today is the link between diet, exercise, and obesity. So in that question, we have three clear concepts. And we've only got two search rows here, so I'm simply going to add another search row. And this is one of the reasons why we are in advanced search and not basic search, which is simply one search box with no control over your search fields or anything like that. So I would always recommend working in advanced search. So we'll add the row. So we have diet as a key concept. We have exercise, and we have obesity. So we have each of these key concepts, but diet could be expressed also as nutrition. So I'm going to enter this related word. So the or is simply saying find me diet or nutrition. Some articles may include both words. And to improve things even more, I'm going to put a star on diet to get alternative endings, dietary, diets, and also for nutrition, because I want to bring in the word nutritional as well as nutrition. Exercise. Now, exercise could be exercising. So I'm going to put a star on that word. We might want to include the word sport or sports, because that is associated with exercise. Obesity, I'm going to take that back to the word root, put a star on the S, so it picks up the word obese as well as the word obesity, and we'll add another word related to that, which is overweight. So we've got quite a nice search strategy here, and basically our search results should find at least one word from each search row. Now we have to tell it where to search. And Proquest databases tend to default to searching anywhere, which includes full text. So initially I would change this. I would change it to anywhere except full text, which basically means you're searching within the citation, which is all the details about the article, words in the abstract, the title, subject headings, that sort of thing. So we're ready to run this search, see what we can find. Now we've got a large number of results here. So I'm immediately going to go back and tweak this search a little bit. So if I go back and click on advanced search, that actually retains the search strategy. Hitting the back key in this instance just wiped it. So if you need to go back and tweak the search, click on the advanced search tab again. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to say, I want diet or nutrition to appear in the document title. The document is the article. Same for exercise and sport, and same for obesity and overweight. If I rerun this search, I should now have far fewer results, and I should have at least one word or phrase within my title. So I've still got over 1,000 results. So I'm now going to look at how I might be able to refine those results. So the first thing I notice is that only 200 of them are scholarly journals, and that's what I want. So I'm going to limit, so I can just view those articles. Now, I could limit further to the ones that are peer-reviewed, that have been vetted by subject specialists before publication. And I'm also going to specify my date range. I don't want anything older than the last 5 years. So I can either use the slider here, or if that's difficult, enter your own date range. So I'm just going to go for the last 5 years. there are so many articles. And then I'm just going to update the results and see how many I have left. So I now have 93 results, so they're going to be up to date, they're going to be quite relevant. I suppose one thing I could do is to check that they are all in English. So they were all in English, but occasionally you might find some articles where, although the citation is in English, the full text might not be, it might be in a different language that you can't read. So we've ended up with some good search results here. To link to the articles, we can click Access Full Text. If there isn't a direct link to full text, we can try the 360 link. If there isn't a link, what I would suggest is that you cut and paste the title of the article into Summon. So here, if I just cut and pasted this title, just pasted it directly into the Summon search box, Summon might pick it up in a collection that sits outside the Proquest Central collection. So that's very quickly how to search Proquest Central effectively.